Hi everyone, today is Saturday. How are you doing? How's your day going? Is it passing quickly? Do you find that you have a lot to do? It's a Saturday and you want to get a lot of personal things done, and before you know it, it's the afternoon already and you felt like you just started? Well, that's how it's been for me, and I felt myself getting faster and faster and faster I would go, the more shallow my breath would become. And I thought, what a great opportunity to just take a moment and have a good meditation. So I am reading this new book that just came out by Deepak Chopra called Abundance. And I just want to refer to something on page 228 where he says, when everything starts to go out of balance or you experience poor health or a lack of well-being, Shakti has been impaired. And he describes Shakti on the previous page as being your energy, your ability, your strength, effort, power, and capability. So he says, there's no magic to restoring it. Simple awareness is all you need. Centered, calm, quiet inside, and you are giving Shakti an open channel once more. So that's what I thought we would do today, is try to become more centered, calm, and quiet inside with using awareness. And hopefully it will return any type of lack of well-being you might be feeling, or feeling out of balance. Maybe it will return some balance to you, return your strength, your power, your energy, your capability to you. So please begin by exhaling all your air out, taking a longer than normal inhale. Exhale audibly. Again, take a longer than normal inhale. Hold it at the top and a slow exhale. One more time. Inhale deeply, hold it at the top, and a slow exhale. Make sure you're seated comfortably now. Close your eyes and continue this rhythmic, long, slow breathing on your own for a moment. Begin to notice any tension and how it starts to dissolve once you have your awareness on your breathing. Keep breathing deeply, holding at the top and exhaling long and slow. Take a longer than normal inhale, hold, and a longer and slower exhale, hold. Take a longer and deeper inhale and hold, and a longer and slower exhale and hold. Take a long, deep inhale and hold, and a long, slow exhale and hold. Do this again by yourself. Notice any tension you may be holding in your back and shoulders. Notice how simply by noticing it, it dissolves a little bit more and releases. Take a longer than normal inhale and hold, and a slower, long exhale and hold. Again, breathe in, slow, and hold, and breathe out, slow, and hold. Breathe in, long and slow, and hold, and breathe out, slow, and hold. And breathe in, long and slow. Continue on your own. Breathing with intention, breathing with awareness. Feeling the tension dissolve. Feeling calm return. Feeling a quiet instilled inside your mind by simply becoming aware of what you're feeling in your body through your breath. When your mind begins to wander and becomes active like it's used to doing, pull it back in and put your awareness into your breathing. Take a long, slow, deep in and hold, and a long, deep breath out and hold. Take another long, deep breath in and hold, and a long, slow breath out and hold. Take a long, slow breath in and continue in rhythmic breathing. Continue making your mind focused on your breath. Continue noticing tension that you may feel. Continue being aware of how your awareness on your tension releases the tension. Feel the breath in your chest. Feel the motion and rhythmic breathing of your slow inhale and hold, and your slow exhale and hold. Breathe in slow and hold. Breathe out slow and long and hold. Breathe in deeper than normal. Hold. Breathe out. Continue breathing. Allow the calm that you're beginning to feel to saturate your body. Allow the calm and quiet to rest within your mind. Allow your Shakti to be returned. Allow well-being to be restored. Wiggle your toes and fingers and gently open your eyes. I hope you have a wonderful day and go forth with more inner balance and calm and a wonderful full sense of well-being. Namaste.